it doesn't drive like anything that you've ever driven before, so you've got to learn it from scratch. All the engines are the same, the equipment is pretty much all the same, so everyone's on a level. And then you come to a place and nobody's ever seen the track before, and as soon as you leave, nobody will ever see that track again. So you can't say that I'm the expert of Headington and Stockley, because we've never seen it before and we'll never see it again.
I don't know why people still do it, but it has had 50 years since the sport was started, and there are enough crazy people out there who want to jump on a mower, tweak it up and go hurtling around a field during the summer months, and long may it last. The competition and the closeness of racing is the same, whether it's, in fact, you might actually find it's closer at lawnmower racing than it is in Formula One at the moment. So from that point of view, I think there is a big similarity.